PyRaking Studio. Hello my friend, welcome to PyRaking Studio. I'm PyRaking. The theme of the show that is going on today is very interesting stuff, because it generates cash. Of course, it's just a magical prop, otherwise you can travel around the world in a sports car tomorrow. Don't doubt, today I'm going to teach you how to make a money print machine. Everyone wants to ask if it is true. I have to say it looks incredible, right? Indeed, it's good enough to be easily mistaken for real. Anyway, please keep watching. And now test it for everyone to see and then share how to make it later. First, plug the cable into the phone. Of course, the mobile phone must be first install this kind of camouflage app to increase the effect. I will tell you how to make this app later. The next step is decide what kind of banknote to print. Then you can determine the paper size. Cut the paper first and you will use it later. If the paper is wrong size, it will be found to be fake. Let's try it out, but first should print 1000 yuan or 500 yuan. Normal people will choose 1000 yuan, right? Let's try printing 1000 yuan banknotes first. Click 1000 yuan on the app. Now put the paper in, so that it will start printing. You see, 1000 yuan has appeared. Print another 500 yuan note. Wait it a while. App ready, start printing. 500 yuan banknote are printed. You must think it's weird, right? Now let's see the close-up. Let me show you again. Look carefully this time. Cut the paper to the correct size first. Then plug the cable to the phone. Of course, the mobile phone must install the software. Then click 1000 yuan. Let's print 1000 first. Put the paper in. Then wait for it to be printed. It's easy to print 1000 yuan like this. Insert 500 yuan sized blank paper. Then you can print it. Don't you see that is a 500 yuan note? After watching the demonstration just now, do you want to get this one? If you want to get this money printing machine, please keep watching to see how we make this one. Cut the plank appropriately to the size of the banknote. Drill holes in stick and board. Drilling wooden bore with a drill press. Use the lathe to drill holes for wooden sticks. Hot melt glued homemade gear on the wooden stick. Install the DC motor. Connect the stick to the motor. Combine another gear rod. Lock the screws. Confirm the clearance between gears and the bolt and screws. Add hot melt glue to prepare the casing. These angles should be as correct as possible to ensure proper operation. Combination switch with wooden board. Wires connecting the switch to the motor. Soldering wires and switch. Assembling the case with hot melt. Then fix the battery case. Secure the strip of paper to the wooden shaft with tape. The end of the paper strip is fixed on another wooden shaft. Now install the signal transmission line. Hey, wait a minute! Is the signal line just broken in like this? I have to put the banknotes in first. The working principle of this machine is that the paper and the banknote are rolled in the roller on both sides. The app is actually just a video made with PowerPoint. This is just a way to create an illusion. So work hard, your destiny is in your hand. Try a few more times and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to PyRaking Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.